Are you ready to transform your Dodge Ram 1500 into the ultimate powerhouse while adding a sleek, sporty look? Introducing the world of tonneau covers, your truck's best-kept secret. In this video, we dive deep into the top tonneau covers tailored specifically for the Ram 1500. Discover how these incredible accessories not only enhance your truck's aesthetic appeal, but also provide unbeatable protection for your cargo, improve fuel efficiency, and keep your belongings secure from the elements, whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily driver. Find out which tonneau cover reigns supreme in style and functionality. Join us as we unveil the finest options that marry form and function, elevating your Ram experience to a whole new level. Don't miss out. Number 7. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the perfect accessory for your Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500, offering outstanding protection and practicality. This cover is expertly designed with a dual-coated, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and reinforced with aircraft-grade aluminum frames, ensuring remarkable durability even in tough conditions. The patented design features pre-assembled horizontal crossbars that provide robust support while allowing you to fold the cover conveniently for full bed access whenever you need it. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, thanks to the included instructions and mounting hardware, making it a perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts. Just remember, if your truck has an over-the-bedrail bed liner, a few small holes will need to be cut for the clamps. With a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, the Tyger Auto T3 is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish tonneau cover for their Dodge Ram 1500. Elevate your truck's functionality and aesthetics with this high-quality product. Number 6. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This premium cover, designed specifically for 2019 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2020 2500/3500 models with a 6 feet 4 inches bed, combines functionality with style. Proudly made in the USA, it features globally sourced materials and is supported by an exceptional USA-based customer service team. Enjoy fast and easy installation as there's no drilling required. Simply clamp the rails into place. The Gator ETX offers 100% access to your truck bed. Simply roll the cover towards the cab and secure it with the storage strap. Not only does this cover enhance your truck's appearance, but it also offers protection from the elements, keeping your cargo safe and secure. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp, you can trust in its durability. Perfect for anyone searching for tonneau covers for Dodge Ram 1500. The Gator ETX is the ultimate choice for style, convenience, and peace of mind. Number 5. Autosaver 88 has crafted the ideal solution for your truck with their FRP Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, specifically designed for Dodge Ram 1500 models from 2002 to 2025, both classic and new, as well as for Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 from 2003 to 2024 with a 6.4-foot bed. This custom-fit cover not only elevates your truck's sleek appearance, but also boasts exceptional durability. Crafted from fiberglass reinforced polymer and a polypropylene honeycomb core, capable of supporting up to 450 pounds. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling, thanks to the included 6 robust clamps that ensure your vehicle's integrity. It provides robust protection against rain, snow, dust, and theft, securing your cargo with a locking mechanism when the tailgate is closed. Plus, its aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag, making it a practical choice for any Dodge Ram owner looking for both style and functionality. Experience the perfect blend of security, ease, and improved mileage with Autosaver 88's tonneau cover, the ideal accessory for your truck. Number 4. Carmocar Truck Bed Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2009 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500. 2500 crew cab with a 5.7-foot short bed. This hard trifold tonneau cover stands out with its premium quality. Crafted from 6063 all-aluminum subpanels and 14mm aluminum honeycomb structure, Its scuff and dent-resistant design ensures that your cargo remains secure while withstanding harsh conditions. The watertight channel hinge system, complemented by hard polymer rubber corners and snap-on seals, guarantees maximum protection against rain, snow, and dirt. Installation is a breeze with the easy clamping system, requiring no tools and taking less than 15 minutes to secure the cover. Plus, it can support an impressive weight of up to 750 pounds. Whether you're looking to enhance security or improve the aesthetics of your truck, the Carmocar truck bed cover delivers. Choose this top-tier option if you're in search of tonneau covers for Dodge Ram 1500 and elevate your truck's functionality and style. Don't miss out on the convenience this cover provides. Number 3. DNA Motoring new upgrade truck bed top hard solid trifold tonneau cover is the perfect accessory for your Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500, specifically designed for 6.5-foot fleet-side short beds. Its durable aluminum construction, along with a bullfrog bump texture finish, ensures long-lasting performance while enhancing your truck's aesthetics. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design and included clamps, making it easy for anyone to equip their vehicle in no time. This tonneau cover not only boosts your truck's aerodynamics, increasing speed and saving gas, but its solid build can support up to 367 pounds. The innovative symmetrical shaft design guarantees a 117% improvement in dust-proof and snowproof capabilities, providing unmatched protection against the elements. With added UV protection and reinforced high-quality materials, this cover is built to withstand the toughest environments, ensuring your belongings stay safe and secure. Upgrade your Dodge with the DNA Motoring tonneau cover and experience the difference in both style and utility. Number 2. Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is an exceptional choice for Dodge Ram 1500 owners looking for a reliable and stylish cover. Custom-made to fit models from 2002 to 2025, including the 2500 and 3500 series. This cover boasts a perfect fit for a 6.4-foot standard bed. Crafted from durable fiberglass, it withstands harsh weather, ensuring longevity and no denting even during hailstorms. Installation is a breeze with its no-drill clamp-on design, allowing for quick attachment and removal. Enhanced security features like tough construction, reinforced hinges, and robust locking mechanisms provide peace of mind, deterring theft. Additionally, its sleek, aerodynamic shape helps improve fuel efficiency, keeping your gas mileage optimal. With extra weather stripping included and a remarkable 60-month warranty, the Whale Motor tonneau cover makes for an intelligent investment to protect your truck bed while adding style and functionality. Ideal for anyone searching for top-quality tonneau covers for Dodge Ram 1500. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 is the ultimate tonneau cover designed exclusively for 2002 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2003 to 2021 2500/3500 models with a 6 feet 4 inches bed. Carefully crafted in the USA using global materials, this cover boasts durable aluminum panels that provide exceptional security. The innovative design automatically latches when the cover is partially or fully closed, ensuring your cargo is safe once the tailgate is locked. With its stylish matte finish, the BAK Flip MX4 not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your truck, but also protects against scratches, marks, and UV damage. You'll appreciate the upgraded perimeter seals and hardware that contribute to its premium quality. Plus, you can maintain full bed access whether the cover is closed, folded, or flipped up, without obstructing the third brake light. Its dual-action tailgate seal ensures smooth operation, making it an ideal solution for those looking for tonneau covers for Dodge Ram 1500. Experience seamless protection and style with the Real Truck BAK Flip MX4. In conclusion, investing in a tonneau cover for your Dodge Ram 1500 enhances both functionality and style. Whether you prioritize weather protection, security, or improved fuel efficiency, there's a perfect cover to meet your needs. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Drive safely and enjoy your upgraded truck experience.